What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Like I said, the last vlog, we are taking off the wrap on the M4. It's raining right now. Well, in Portsmouth anyways, but I don't know about Hampton because I'm going to Hampton to get some help to remove this wrap properly. Other than that, I do need to get some. So I'm gonna tell you guys what to get from. I think they sell it at Lowe's, but it's called Rapid Remover. So I'm gonna get it, buy it, and show you guys. Alright, you guys, this is a whole different day, but this is what I ended up getting. The guy who wrapped my car, this thing Don, he said get Rapid Remover, but I ended up getting this because Rapid Remover was not available. But
with it, yeah. And your girl, she know that I'm the best in it. Damn, hey, Gucci slides on, you know I'm fresh in it. Oh shit, send a bitch a nude with no text with it. I changed up and you know it. Mr. Bartender, please poet. Oh damn, on the beat, I'm a motherfucking poet. I'm a beast and I'm not afraid to show it. Goddamn, I just slide on them, got the eyes on them. Nigga disappear, the surprise on them. Damn, I get live on them. 5 on it, boy, I'm fresh to death. I just died on them, I designed on them. Got her mind on me, I'm her side nigga, cause I got size on them. Damn, yeah, they lied on them, but I survived on them. Ain't nobody seeing me like they went blind on me. Yeah, hey, baby, I'm the man, yeah, I been the man. Hey, start up in that pussy like the Tootsie Dance. Hey, baby, do it just like that, but with no hands. Hey, you gon' make a nigga start a OnlyFans. Shots by the back of the yak, goddamn. Now I gotta take a Uber back, goddamn. At the bar, I'm fucking up a check, goddamn. But you know that I'ma make it back, no advice with it. I'm high price with it, rapping with a smile, cause I'm nice with it. I want a dark skin bitch to spend the night with, hey, that's my type, I'm a pipe, ain't no mic, hit it. Hey, I like a big fat booty, baby, bring it back to me, baby, put it in my face, 69 Ratatouille, can you script like a movie, do a split, while you do me, ayy, my appetite isn't light, it's on sight, ayy, ayy, fuck that hoe, fuck it, damn, like a green light, bitch, you gotta go, I don't care, cause there's plenty more, I don't save a hoe, I just Holy Ghost, yeah, I gotta boast, ayy, how you making less when you do the most, money on me like a money coat, bitches tell me high, cause your money low, look, I'm off the Eddie, bitch, I'm ready, take your clothes off, like I'm Nelly, I see your message, yeah, I read it, I ain't testing back, bitch, I'm petty, I know where I'm headed, I'm prophetic, cause some people are, and don't regret it, bitch, I'm money, like debit, I'm original, you an edit, I go and get it, like I'm fetching, making moves, kinetic, I'm professional, you pathetic, boy, you gassed up, you wouldn't let it, admit it,
alright, you guys, it's a totally different day. I had the worst luck trying to get this, trying to get the adhesive off of the car. It's only stuck on the edges, but as you can see with the rag, it's like it's stuck onto the rag after I wiped it off and then stuck back onto the car. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here, as you can see, the residue, it just rolled up and stuck back onto the car. So I came over here to my guy Mike Kavanaugh, which I will link his Instagram right here and also in the description. He does mobile detailing and he's helping me get the residue off the car. So any other thing you need with mobile detailing, paint correction, ceramic coat. You do ceramic coating, right?
What's up?
You do ceramic coating?
I do a little bit of ceramic coating, not too crazy.
Okay, well, paint correction, and if he's comfortable doing the ceramic coating, he'll do it for you. But definitely reach out to him. Like I said, his info will be in the description below. If you're in the 757 area, sorry, because I'm going back to Ohio, and if you're in Hampton Roads, hit him up. Even if you're in Richmond, it's like an hour and a half drive, hour and 20-minute drive. Hit him up, set up your appointment. Let me go ahead and show you guys what we are working with. So there's residue all on the edges, not much, but it's up there. So what he's doing is he has an eraser wheel, which is basically wiping off the residue. Like I said, make sure you hit him up, tell him what you need, and he got you.